Why should Magento be your choice for a solid B2B e-commerce platform? B2B businesses face intricate ordering processes that require a robust back-end system. Today, we'll cover the top 15 reasons Magento stands tall among competitors and enhance your business operations with its power-packed features. Let's dive in. First up, Magento offers a comprehensive solution for operating your online store, fully equipped to handle multiple brands across various geographies. It also boasts seamless integration with platforms like Amazon, ERP, or CRM systems ranging from NetSuite to Zoho and marketing platforms like HubSpot. Let's look at purchase orders to manage and monitor workflow. Magento safeguards businesses from fraudulent activities with its purchase order function. The feature allows authorized company accounts to initiate, modify, or delete purchase orders. Our list continues with B2B payment and shipping methods. Magento ensures a smooth checkout process, providing a wide selection of payment options and shipping methods. It offers a secure transaction platform and keeps track of your finances with its payment settings. Moving on, Magento simplifies B2B purchases with its custom user roles and permissions. It enables customers to have multiple accounts with different shipping, payment, and contact details. Next up are quick orders and checkout. Faster checkouts have always been challenging with Magento's quick order system. It features options like direct SKU entry, requisition lists, order duplication, and bulk orders. Let's focus on price negotiations. With Magento, authorized buyers have the power to request quotes and initiate negotiations, aided by its robust quote management dashboard. We now move to advanced analytics to segment customers. You can better understand your customers with Magento's advanced reporting feature. It provides detailed insights into customer behavior for effective segmentation and marketing campaigns. Next on our feature list is customized pricing through shared catalog. Magento's shared catalog feature lets you set custom prices across customer types or individuals. It helps in fostering relationship building via personalized pricing. Let's look at account management for B2B businesses. Customer independence is a key part of Magento, offering self-service portals that allow customers to manage their accounts and transactions. Shifting our attention to enhanced inventory management. You always want to make sure you are well stocked. Magento's inventory management keeps track of product availability, helping businesses meet demand and maximize sales. Now, let's explore mobile-friendly designs for B2B. Magento adapts to the mobile age with a responsive design, offering a seamless shopping experience no matter the device of choice. Keeping up the tempo, we look through content staging for products and services. You can create and preview content updates before they go live with Magento's built-in content staging feature. It ensures your product presentation remains consistent and error-free. Let's zoom in on technical support. Troubleshooting on Magento is stress-free. With their skilled technical support team, you can focus more on sales and less on technical glitches. Next up, rule-based product relations for personalized shopping. Have you ever wanted to upsell or cross-sell like a pro? With Magento's rule-based product relations, personalized shopping becomes an easy feat. Finally, security features. Magento's robust security features keep your online store safe from attacks, ensuring your B2B customers' data always stays secure. And that brings us to the finish line. We hope this overview of Magento B2B features has been insightful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Magento discussions. Until next time.